Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Ben from Elite Welding Academy, and we are down here on site today at a career fair in Lower Price Hill in Cincinnati. Here we have our group of some of our students. We're on site doing weld demonstrations, and we're gonna do a weld off. So we're gonna do a welding competition, and we're gonna let the comments on YouTube decide the winner. So let's get into this.
What? That felt really hot.
First off, in our little weld competition here, what we're gonna do is a 70-18 uphill weld with a restart in the middle, and you guys are gonna judge the restart quality. So here we go.
All right, so this is Kirby. He's gonna be our first contestant. Let's see what he's got. All right, here goes the restart. That flux to see how it did. Alright, so there's contestant number one. Right there in the center. And remember, we're judging that restart right there. Here we have contestant number two, Michael. You're up, bud. Let's see what you got. All right, here we go for the restart. There we go. All right, right there. The weld on the left, contestant number two. All right, so here we have Ryan. It's Ryan's turn. Go ahead and fire up when you're ready, buddy. Let's see what we got. Get that flag off. Let's take a look at that restart. Yeah. Not bad. Contestant number three right there. Here we have Rakeem. Contestant number four. What's up, Rakeem? All right, fire up when you're ready, buddy. For the restart. All right, let's get that flag off and see what we got. Looks good so far. Very nice. Good looking cap. Right there, contestant number four. Looking good. All right, here we have Dallas. Say hey, Dallas. What's up? All right, you ready for your turn? Contestant number five. Okay, here we go for the restart. Let's see what we got. Get that flag. Here we go. Contestant number five right there in the center.
All right,
So we're back at the welding school. We had a great day at the Lower Price Hill job fair there. Comment down below, let us know what you thought of the restart competition we had there and which contestant you felt like had the best restart. So please comment down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for some more welding content coming in the future. We'll see you later and peace out from the Elite Welding Academy.